Hey! Welcome to Make Big Money channel. Now you will finally know how to make money remotely. All you need is your phone or computer so you can implement these ideas and become rich. You no longer have to work for someone else in the office. Now you will enjoy life and lead it yourself. Here are 10 ways you can earn money online. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing involves offering your skills or services to clients on a project basis. Common freelancing categories include writing, graphic design, web development, digital marketing, and virtual assistants. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients seeking their expertise. Success in freelancing often depends on building a strong portfolio, maintaining good client relationships, and consistently delivering high-quality work. 2. Online tutoring. Online tutoring allows you to teach students virtually in various subjects, ranging from academic subjects to music, language learning, or even professional skills like coding or design. You can work for tutoring platforms like Tutor.com and Chegg Tutors. Set up your own tutoring business through your website, or create and sell courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services through unique affiliate links and earning a commission for every sale or action generated through your referrals. You can join affiliate programs offered by companies in your niche or sign up with affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank. Success in affiliate marketing often involves building an audience, creating valuable content, and strategically promoting affiliate products to your audience. 4. Content creation. Content creation encompasses various mediums such as blogging, YouTube, podcasting, and social media. You can monetize your content through advertising revenue, e.g., Google AdSense for blogs and YouTube ads, sponsorships, brand partnerships, merchandise sales, donations, e.g., through platforms like Patreon, or offering premium content or memberships. Building a loyal audience and consistently producing high-quality content are key to success in content creation. 5. E-commerce. E-commerce involves selling products or services online through your website, online marketplaces, or social media channels. You can sell physical products, e.g., handmade crafts, dropshipping products, or digital products, e.g., ebooks, courses, software. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, and eBay provide tools and resources to set up and manage your online store effectively. 6. Remote work. Remote work refers to traditional employment opportunities that allow you to work remotely from anywhere with an internet connection. Remote job roles span various industries and functions, including customer service, virtual assistants, writing/editing, software development, project management, and more. Websites like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs list remote job openings from companies worldwide. 7. Stock photography/videos. If you have photography or videography skills, you can sell your work to stock photo/video websites. Stock images and videos are used by businesses, media outlets, designers, and individuals for various purposes. Popular stock photo/video platforms include Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Getty Images, and iStock. 8. Online courses/consulting. Share your expertise and knowledge by creating and selling online courses or offering consulting services in your niche. Online course platforms like Coursera, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, and Teachable provide tools to create, market, and sell your courses. Consulting platforms like Clarity.fm connect consultants with clients seeking expert advice in various fields. 9. App development. If you have programming skills, you can develop and sell mobile apps or software. You can create apps for iOS or Android platforms and sell them on app stores like Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Alternatively, you can offer your apps for a fee on platforms like Gumroad or itch.io. 10. Virtual events/workshops. Host virtual events, workshops, or webinars on topics you're knowledgeable about and charge attendees a fee for access. Virtual events can cover a wide range of topics, from professional development to personal interests. Platforms like Zoom, Webinar Jam, Teachable, and Eventbrite provide tools to organize, promote, and monetize virtual events. Each of these methods offers unique opportunities for earning money online, and the most suitable option for you will depend on your skills, interests, resources, and goals. Experimentation and persistence are key to finding success in the online space. Don't forget hit the like button, subscribe Make Big Money channel and turn on notifications for more videos that will help you get rich.